Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a backup because changes can be hard to undo. Once done, turn on Show/Hide so you see spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks. This reveals the blanks you must remove. Next, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H. You will replace visible blank characters first. Use the search box. Press space once for single spaces, press tab for tabs, or type P for paragraph marks. This first pass removes obvious extra spaces, so the document is cleaner before deeper fixes. Now you focus on repeating blanks that hide in plain sight. For spaces, find 2 spaces and replace with 1. Replace all until no double spaces remain. For line breaks, search for PP and replace with P to collapse extra paragraphs. Make sure to inspect results, because replacing paragraph marks can merge lines you intended to keep. If you see unexpected joins, use undo immediately, then adjust the find pattern. This step trims repeated blank characters efficiently. Finish by running a wildcard pass for tricky patterns. Enable wildcards and search for 2 to replace any 2 or more spaces with a single space. This catches leftover clusters. Once done, scan headers, footers, tables, and fields. These areas often keep strange blanks. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup copy, then refine your find patterns and test on a small selection. One troubleshooting tip: if replace all merges content unexpectedly, undo and use more specific patterns or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.